To transfer money from Simple to Zelle, you will need to follow a few easy steps. First, ensure you have the Simple mobile banking app and the Zelle app installed on your device. If not, download and install them from the App Store. Next, open the Simple app and navigate to the Payments or Transfer section. Look for the option to send money to an external account or a person, and select it. You will be asked to choose the recipient. And since you want to send money to Zelle, select the option to send money to a person. You will need to enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Zelle account. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the transfer. Once you have entered the recipient's information, you will be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the recipient's information, the amount, and any applicable transfer fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. The money will be transferred from your Simple account to the recipient's Zelle account, and the recipient will receive a notification once the money is available. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the bank's processing time. To receive the money in Zelle, the recipient needs to have a Zelle account and have it linked to their bank account. If the recipient does not have a Zelle account, they can create one using the Zelle app. It is essential to note that transfer limits and fees may apply when sending money from Simple to Zelle. Check with Simple for their transfer limits and fees before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure you are sending money to a trusted recipient, as transactions are typically irreversible. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Simple to Zelle. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and ensure you are sending money to the correct recipient.